Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Uppu curry using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. Also, prepare 2 large onions, 3 green chilies, and a handful of fresh curry leaves. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, and salt. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by finely chopping your 2 large onions and slicing the 3 green chilies lengthwise. Make sure your 500 grams of chicken pieces are thoroughly washed and drained. Measure out 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Also, have your spices, such as 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ready to go. This preparation makes cooking smooth. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions, sliced green chilies, and curry leaves, sautéing until the onions turn a light golden brown. Next, stir in the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add the 500 grams of chicken pieces, turmeric, chili powder, and salt, mixing everything thoroughly. Almost done. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's tender and cooked through. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. If the curry seems too dry, you can add a small splash of water. Once cooked, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Your delicious chicken Uppu curry is now ready to be served hot with rice or roti.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.